Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell digital products online using Gumroad. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to share your creation with the world. Start by going to gumroad.com and logging in, ideally with your Google account, for a quick and easy setup. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Products and then New Product to begin creating your listing. Give your product a catchy, descriptive name and make sure the type is set to Digital Product. Choose the right currency and set a price that reflects your audience and the value of your creation. Next, click Customize to add a compelling description, upload eye-catching images or videos, and include any additional product details that help buyers make a decision. You can also add a custom URL to make sharing easier. Finally, click Save and Continue, upload any necessary files, and hit Publish. And just like that, your digital product is live on Gumroad, ready to be shared and sold. Happy selling!